I'm going to be explaining how to create your own token on Zano blockchain. Okay, so let's dive right into it. First of all, we'll go to docs.zano, go to under the build menu, go to under confidential assets. Then you see this asset creation example file. We have to copy this and save it on our desktop or anywhere you want to save it. I've already saved mine here. Now this contains the ticker of your token, like the name of your token and the details, the supply, the current supply, the decimal point, and the info of your token. So let me say I want to create this as let me say YouTube token. Let me use YouTube token. I'll put it YT or Y. Let me just leave it as YT. Since for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll save this. Now you have to have your Zano wallet already installed on your desktop, on your MacBook or any device you're using. I already have mine installed here. So if you want to install yours, you go to I think I go to zano.org. I'll see a download link right there for you. Yeah, you can see on this download tab here, you can download it for whatever device you are using. You can download it right here. You can also download an extension. So basically, I'll open to start creating the token. I'll open my terminal. I open it right here so it can be pulled for everyone to see. I'll go to my applications tab. I'll click on this Zano, show packages, content, click on macOS, and I'll carry me to this simple wallet folder. So what I'm going to do now is, let me put this side by side. I put this side by side. Okay, so I'll open the simple wallet into my terminal. I'll give it dash wallet file. Then I'll specify my wallet I'm going to use for this transaction. Once you create your Zano wallet, you'll be prompted to select the folder to store your wallet. I'm storing my own wallet in my document, so you store yours and you have to remember the password to be able to use that wallet for this process. So I'll click on my wallet here, I'll paste it into here, and I'll click on enter. So I'll be prompted to put my password, and I will do that. Okay, so if you see here, I've put my password, everything was successful. I have a balance of an article DX ticker 1000, and I have a balance of 5.37 Zano. So now I want to create my own particular token. It's a very simple process. Like, this is one of the simplest processes I've seen in a long time. So I'll put deploy underscore new underscore assets. Then now I'll specify the folder of my asset, my ticker that I edited at first, which is this one right here, the YT YouTube token. I can change the max supply, the current supply, but I like leaving mine like this. You can change it to whatever you want. So I will specify this token. I will specify the location of this file. I can just do that by dragging it into here, and I'll specify where the file is. So I'll click on enter and input my password again, and our token has been created. If you check back here, let me see, you see that I received 1000 of a particular token. Let's see 1000 of a particular token. Let's wait for it. It does not come up here. So that is how easy it is to create tokens on Zano blockchain. I can say I want to create another token right now, and it's just happening within seconds. With just these few steps, it's easy to create tokens here. I'm still waiting for the token to be confirmed. If you can see, I created Dan DX token. You can see right here 1000 DX, 0.01 Zano for the transaction fee, which is actually cheap. It's our transaction ID and our asset ID. Okay, yeah, you can see it here. YouTube token 1000 YT was created on Zano. So thanks for watching.